Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a quick tutorial on how to create this kind of flirty Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day look. I made it using just the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I used 4 or 5 shades to create it and I'm excited to share it with you. So if you're interested in seeing how to create this look, it's very soft and subtle, but it's also very pretty. Go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's called Warm Taupe. It's just a nice taupey brown, and I'm going to be using this in the crease to create a nice transition shade. And I'm going to be using this brush from Miss Glam. It's the SS57. It's just a very fluffy, kind of tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to use this, sweep it into the shade, top off any excess, and then brush it into the crease. And I'm just going to blend it out a little bit more with this brush from Farrah. Just kind of blending it up and out. Really smoothing out the edge. So once I have that shade how I like it, kind of just blended into the crease, kind of smoked out a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and go in with, let's see, this shade right here. It's called Cypress Umber. It's more of a chocolatey brown, and I'm just going to kind of pack that lightly into the crease. To do that, I'll be using this flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics from their Eco line. I've talked about it a lot, and I'm just going to tap it right into the crease. Going back in with my tapered blending brush from Miss Glam, just really working it into the crease and blending it out. Now we're going to go in with some color. I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's a matte shade. It's called Love Letter, and it's this nice kind of warm pinky raspberry color. And I'm going to be using this brush from Firma. It's the 204. It's like a flat shader brush. And again, tap off the excess. And I'm going to be starting at the outer corner and kind of working it in. Now I'm going to be going in with kind of the shimmery version of that shade, and this one is called Venetian Red. It's this one right here. It's a little bit lighter in tone, and it's got some gold reflect in it, and I'm going to be focusing this one all over the lid. And then on top of that, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's like a pink champagne shade. It's called Vermeer, this shade right here, and I'm just gonna pack that on top of that Venetian Red that we've just placed down, kind of sheer it out a little bit. And now going back in with my Farrah Cosmetics brush, I'm just gonna blend everything together. And then taking my small little brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to go ahead and work on the lower lash line, starting with that first shade we used, Warm Taupe, right here. And just working the shade along the lower lash line just to give it some depth. Now I'm going to warm it up a little bit with Cypress Umber, that deep chocolate shade. And then just to add a little pop of color and really make it cohesive, I'm gonna go in with Love Letter, that nice pink shade. I'm gonna dust away the excess. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner using that same Vermeer shade. And that is the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm going to apply mascara, liner, tight line, waterline, and some false lashes, and I will come back and show you the finished look. Alright, so I'm back with the completed look. I popped on some lashes, some mascara, I did my tight line and waterline, and I also did my wing liner, and then I also applied some lip oil from Ipsy, which is amazing. It's out of this world good, and it just leaves your lips with this nice flush of pink, and I love it so much. So this is the completed look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I know it's been a while since I've done a tutorial and I've missed it, but hopefully you enjoyed this. And if you end up recreating this look for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, go ahead and tag me in those photos on social media. I would love to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.